From 0 to JLPT N5, this is lesson 32. So today we will talk about demonstrative pronouns, such as this, that in Japanese. So these are very important demonstrative pronouns. これ、それ、あれ。これ means this. これ is used when the thing is near the speaker. それ means that. それ is used when the thing is near the listener. あれ means that. あれ is used when the thing is far from both of us. So, for example, I'm holding a pen, and when I like to say, this is my pen, I would definitely use これ. But when my friend I'm talking to is holding a pen, and I ask her, what is that? I would use それ. Lastly, when there is a building far from both of us and say, that is a library, I would use あれ because that library is far from both of us. So I will show you 3 examples. Example 1. This is my bag. これは私のカバンです。So this is when bag is near the speaker, near me. I'm holding my bag and say, this is my bag. This is when I use これ. And no particle, you learned this in the last lesson, lesson 31. So if you need to review how to use this no particle, please go back to lesson 31 and study this no particle. Example 2. What is that? それは何ですか? This is when, for example, my friend is holding something and I ask her, what is that? I use それ because that thing is near the listener, my friend. Last example. That is a university. あれは大学です。So, the university is far from both of us. That's why I use あれ instead. So this is how you can use これ、それ and あれ. Now I like you to do this exercise. So please stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. This is my father's car. これは私の父の車です。これ is used because the car is near speaker, near me. My father's car. 私の父の車. So, there is 2 no particles used. For my father, 私の父, and for father's car, 父の車. But when the listener knows who the father we are talking about, you can omit 私の and you can just say 父の車. That works too. Second one, is that a dictionary? それは辞書ですか? それ is used because the dictionary is near the listener. And I ask her, is that a dictionary? That's why それ is used. It's a question sentence, therefore, ka particle is used at the end. Last one. That is the university library. あれは大学の図書館です。あれ is used because the library is far from both of us. And no particle is used here. Because library, that's the main idea. And university is just an extra information explaining more about library in detail. In that case, the main idea comes after no particle, and 大学 university, that's an extra information explaining more about 図書館 in detail. So, this time I will read the sentence, so please repeat after me. これは私の父の車です。それは辞書ですか？あれは大学の図書館です。Very good job. And if, for example, the sentence is in a negative form, for example, this is not my father's car, then the ending should be ではありません or じゃないです。Same here. That is not a university library. If the sentence is in a negative form, then this should be ではありません or じゃないです。So very lastly, I have homework for you. Please translate these 3 sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comment below. I will check and collect your homework. So very good job today, and I really look forward to seeing your homework. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。